I am going to tell you the things the car industry in India does not want you to know. And by the end of this video, you will never look at a new car the same way again. And most of it comes down to these 5 things. Let's fix that right now. Truth number 1, depreciation. Everybody talks about it like it's a bad thing, but it's not a bad thing for you. It's a bad thing for the first owner. A luxury car roughly loses 20 to 30% of its value in the first 12 to 18 months. On a 1 crore car, that's about 20 to 30 lakhs gone, just like that. When you buy that car after 18 months, you walk in after the loss has already happened. You got the car, you don't take the hit. That's not a compromise, that's strategy. Truth number 2, and this is the one that trips people up the most. Pre-owned is a spectrum. On one end, you have an unverified car sold by a private individual, no inspection, no service history, and no accountability. On the other end, you have a certified pre-owned vehicle from a specialist like Luxury Car. Full inspection report, documented history, warranty, and accountability if anything goes wrong. The price difference between these two might be 5 to 10 lakhs, but the peace of mind difference, it's infinite. Buying unverified vehicle is not a deal. It's a gamble, and the odds are not always in your favor. Truth number 3. The word certified gets thrown around everywhere just like that. But let me tell you what it specifically means at Luxury Car. Every car at Luxury Car goes through a 100+ point inspection. This is not just a visual check. This is a mechanical, electrical, and structural evaluation by trained technicians. They check the engine and transmission health, they check every electrical system, they even check the chassis for any damage or accident, even the minor damage that's been repaired. They even check the service records against the manufacturer's history. And this is the part I did not expect. They photograph everything. You can see the actual inspection report with images. I mean, that type of transparency is rare. Truth number 4. If you buy a pre-owned luxury car without an extended warranty, you are taking a significant financial risk. Luxury cars have expensive components. A transmission replacement on a BMW can be about 5 to 8 lakhs, and an ECU issue on a Mercedes can be about 3 to 4 lakhs. And I'm telling you, these are real numbers. Luxury Car offers extended warranty coverage, in some cases running to 2027 and 2028 on their certified pre-owned vehicles. And this is not a gimmick. This is how they back up the certification. When you're comparing prices, always factor warranty in, because a car slightly higher in price but with an extended warranty is almost always the better value. Truth number 5. Let's do actual math here, because I am tired of vague statements about affordability. Take a certified pre-owned BMW M340i at about 1 crore. 20% down payment, that's 20 lakh, and a 5-year loan of about 8 to 9% of interest, that comes down to like 1,10,000 a month on EMI. 1,10,000 for a BMW M340i with extended warranty, service package, and every system certified. Compare that price to buying the same car new. You're paying roughly about 40 to 50 lakhs more. For what? Just for the privilege of being the first owner? The EMI gap is massive. And that's why Luxury Car exists and why I trust them. They have built an entire infrastructure. The assurance certification, the extended warranty, in-house financing, insurance tie-ups, the aftercare, all under one roof. Comment down your budget and we will help you find the best car from myluxurycart.com that fits your budget. Link for Luxury Cart is down in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.